Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Tech. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button to help my channel to continue growing. So the phone is showing lock screen from soft lock. Go to the connectivity settings and show you switch off your data or Wi-Fi. Once your data and Wi-Fi are off, restart the device. Once you restart the device, it will be on this home screen. It will not be showing these things that are showing you up, but it will be on this home screen. On this home screen, don't unlock directly through this way. Now your screen is black. Don't unlock. Scroll down, then hit the settings. Once you hit the settings, it will take you to pattern. Draw your pattern, then it will go to settings directly. Open apps, see all apps, then show system. Once you show system, you're going to find soft lock. So you scroll down, you find soft lock. So ensure the advanced permissions, you have disabled all of them. Display of other apps, disable it. Ensure they are saying not allowed. Install unknown apps, not allowed. The version may be different. For me, mine I have already patched, so it is showing version 4.36. But yours, after you have also patched, will show 4.36. Right now, I know it is showing 4.42. So hit the square button. Warning please, don't hit the circle button, the phone will lock. Hit the square button, then press there to go back. We're going to go to Lucky Patcher. Once in Lucky Patcher, let's find soft lock. Here we are, soft lock. Once in soft lock, open menu of patches. Ensure app exchange permissions. Then you're going to select everything here. You select all of them, then you rebuild the app. Once you rebuild the app, the phone will load after I have rebuilt. Once you rebuild the app, don't install. Just leave it like that. So go to press the square button, then go back. Go to Z Achiever, Android, Data. So once you are there, you have to find like a patcher file. So here it is. It is the fourth one from there down. So once you go files like a patcher, then we have modified. So once you have modified your lucky patcher, you are going to go to soft lock. There is soft lock. So you can see you have the apps that are modified. Ensure you backup also the original version because you will be requiring it. So find a safe folder where you can take them. Ensure you copy them, all of them, by pressing there. You copy all of them. Once you copy all of them, ensure you take them to your folder. So there will be having the modified one. For me, I took them to download, then IM player, that is my folder. So there we have soft lock 4.36, 4.42. So first one, it is the original one, then the modified one, another original one which is version 4.42, then another original one which is version 4.36. So once you are there, you're going to rename one original one which is 4.36, rename it to zip folder. So we are going to rename, press to bring this, then rename. So here go. So instead of this extension which is Epic, you're going to delete it and rename zip. Once you press zip to rename it, see it becomes zip. So there it has become zip. Press view. Once you view it, you are required to go to the meta info file. On this meta info file, it contains the certificates. So you're going to cut them. Once you cut them, put them there on this folder. So the meta info is out of the file. Just copy them, don't cut, just copy them. Once they are there in the folder, go and press the square button, then press on the white tile. It is going to go. Then go to your APK editor, open APK editor, then select an APK file. You're going to select any. Now you can see we have the 4 of them plus the meta info file. Then you're going to open version 4.36. There we are. Then you're going to say common edit. In common edit, there you're just going to rename the softlock name. So for me it is softlock, then I'm going to write softlock w something. So any name can work. So after you rename it, ensure you save. Once you save, the app will start working on it. To reload, then once done, press remove, then continue with the uninstallation. It will uninstall. Then once you are done installation, remove again. Once you remove again, it will say could not remove softlock on the notification bar because softlock is a system app. But the first app, which was 4.42, has been removed. So then you're going to install. Just in case the device locks after removing it and start saying installing device lock controller, just restart and repeat the whole process until there. Once you reach there, press remove, then install. It will take you here without locking. Then you open install without installing. You see, then you press yes. Then it's going to patch softlock something. Then don't install, just update. Press the update button, it will update. Once it updates, it will say failed. The patch will not be successful. It will say failed. Once it has failed you, press the white tile. The device now cannot lock. 100% sure. The device will lock unless you press the center button. Now for us to enable the using of center button, you have to go and press MKOPA, app info, then disable. Now force to stop. Cannot disable the system app. So you're going to disable it. Then after you disable it, go back. After you force stop it, go back. Don't press the center button. Go to settings. The device can't lock. Go to settings, network and internet. Once you are on network and internet, you may notice that your device cannot show hotspot and tethering because the device is locked but can be accessed. So for us to prevent this, it is going to be the second method. So the second method, I will upload it. It will be starting from here, but ensure first you have watched the first method and understood it until you have reached here. If you have reached here, the device will only lock if you press the center button, but cannot lock if you use the other navigation buttons, but also can access internet. If you switch on your internet connection, the device will access it. So let's go to the second option. Once you find that you cannot access hotspot and tethering, you are going to press back, go to Lucky Patcher, then go to backups. Remember you had already put a backup on the softlock 4.42, or just do a simple thing, just enable your internet connection or go to Wi-Fi. Once you go to Wi-Fi, immediately you press the center button, the device will lock. Once you press this button, the device locks. It will start saying downloading companion app. So once it's downloading companion app, let it download. Once it's finished to download, restart the phone immediately. Once you restart the phone, it will obviously come to the lock screen after you have entered SIM lock, PIN, and other things. So on the lock screen, follow this procedure also. Go to settings there, then to your pattern. Once you unlock the phone, the device is locked still, press here, go to here, then you will go to your APK editor directly. You're going to rename again on the same folder, going to rename it. So here, then common edit, rename it again, put what we want, then save. Once you save, it will stay working. Then remove. Once you remove, press install. Once you install, it will start to install. Then say update. This app won't update, to refuse. Like mine is installing right now. Installation failed. We say installation failed, but don't mind it. Say installation failed doesn't mean your device will won't lock. To remain like that without locking. Then you are going to go to MKOPA again, app information, then force stop it. Show force stop it. Once you force stop it, close the other apps. Then now you can switch on your data. You can press the center button. You can do whatever you want. The device won't lock because softlock app, before it locks your device, it requests information from MKOPA app. And if MKOPA app, we have already force stopped it, softlock app cannot launch on its own. It has to launch if given permission by MKOPA. So once you have done that, is that and that, your device becomes unlocked. So please guys, subscribe, like and share. If it did not work for you guys, leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for tuning to my channel.